Doing a Clapingo session, it's like killing two birds with one stone. You are improving your English.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing good.
Nice. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah, I believe we had a session in the month of February, I guess.
March last week, I
March. Yeah.
suppose.
March last week, so it's probably like April and May. 2 months. So
Mhm.
how's it going? Do you have your vacations these days?
Yes, my vacations are going on and
Hmm.
everything is going on good. But we have got loads of homework, vacation
Mhm,
homework, and
mhm,
it's just so tiresome to do so. One of our homework is so outrageous that
mhm.
we have to collect rice plant samples, like right up from the field, and paste it in like our project file. I mean, where are
Okay.
we supposed to get rice field
Yeah.
sliced plants? How can we just get it if you live somewhere where fields are not that common? How? It's so outrageous.
You might have to go to an actual farm, and that's a tiring
Yeah,
task because it's really hard these days. Not really
yeah.
good. Okay. Where are
Mhm.
you, by the way? Like, in which city are you?
I'm in Dhamtari.
City. I think I've heard this place in some
Yeah.
Netflix web series. Is it in Chhattisgarh or some other place?
Yes, it's in Chhattisgarh, and even last time when we talked, I was in Dhamtari.
Okay, Dhamkiri. All right. How's the weather there?
It's good. It's not too hot. I mean, it's
Hmm.
better than the cities, although
Hmm.
it itself is a city only, but it's
Hmm.
more greener here. So it's
Hmm.
nice to see the greenery. And the weather is amazing. It's neither too hot not nor too cold.
Hmm. So I'm in Delhi right now, and it's about 44 degrees.
Oh, wow. It's only like 37, 38 degrees here.
Fortunately, today it's around 36 because of some disturbance in the eastern part of our country. Maybe we were expecting some gushing winds and a thunderstorm kind of thing.
Oh,
I got a message from the meteorological department. I think they send it to every citizen so just they can be like aware about the situation.
wow.
But yes, it was pretty cloudy yesterday, but nothing happened as such. So really
Oh,
hot, and it's so hot that you practically cannot go outside for just to get some stuff from a shop as well. That
oh.
hot. It's proper loose situation.
Hmm.
Yeah. But I have heard that Chhattisgarh doesn't receive a lot of scorching heat. I believe it's
Hmm.
like the monsoon is prevalent in your area, right? I think
Yes.
starting from the June, I think after 20th of June or something, it will start raining in that particular area.
Yeah. Even it rained a few days ago. It was not like it was pouring. It was just like a little bit of drizzle, but it rained a few days ago.
Absolutely. So have you finished all of your homework or still something
Oh no,
left?
I haven't even started them. I'm just like researching all the things, all the materials that will be required to do so, and I'm just so lazy. I don't know. I have thought that I will do all the homework in the first week of the vacation, and I'll not leave things for the 11th hour. But it's the third week of the vacation, and
Uh-huh.
still I haven't started anything.
I can, oh, I understand. When will your school reopen?
16th of June.
June. Okay, not bad. So you still have around, let's say, 21, like 3 weeks probably.
Yeah, almost 3 weeks.
So apart from doing this homework, is there anything else that you've been doing so far?
Yeah, I'm trying to work on some of my skills like painting
Mm-hmm.
skills, playing the keyboard, and singing and dancing and all of that.
Keyboard, interesting. I think it's
Mhm.
something which new which you recently started, right? So do you have an actual keyboard?
Yeah, I have a
Okay.
keyboard.
Well, what is it called? Keyboard, Casio? What is it called?
Even I am quite confused. Is it a Casio, a synthesizer, a keyboard? I don't know. I just call it a keyboard.
And keyboard is a better word. So
Yeah.
what all pieces can you exactly play so far?
I
Have you tried Happy Birthday? Or like
yeah.
Twinkle Twinkle?
Oh,
These basic
I
ones.
I have already done the basic ones. I think I am more on like the intermediate level now. I have played
Mm-hmm.
some classical music pieces like For Elise,
For release.
Minute in D, and all of
Mm.
that.
I love the rhythm of Pearl. It sounds
Yeah.
pretty easy, but I think when you just play it on a keyboard, it would be a little arduous. So,
Yes.
have you mastered Pearl?
Yeah, I have.
Hmm, nice. So there's this music composer, I think, Hans Zimmer, and if you've seen that movie Interstellar, no, that's the
Mhm.
main track of the movie. You should
Oh.
listen to it actually, and if you can, play it. And there is one more I can suggest you. It is called, the song name is "Where Is My Mind." You just open the piano cover of it. That's amazing. But I think
Okay.
these are a little advanced, but you can just have a look how it sounds, and if you can
Yeah.
play it, you can try for sure. So
Hmm.
Casio then, oh, sorry, keyboard then.
Yes.
So do you have any plans to play this on a, like, during a function or a concert, something like that, or just for fun, just for your own gratification?
I okay, so it actually depends. If I
Mm.
actually just improve exponentially, magically just by a few weeks, then
Mhm.
and if I just become an expert, I may play it at a function because why not like show your talents on stage, right? But if I'm not that, I don't become that good at playing it. I'm just like intermediate level on it. Then I'm just learning it for myself. I'll not just go up to stage to just embarrass myself that I forgot I just forgot some note. I just played something awful or something. Yeah, no.
Mhm. See, I think if you do it consistently, you can. The idea is to be consistent with it. Maybe after your school reopens, you might not have that time to
Yeah.
play your keyboard. Even if you do it 15, 20 minutes, I think it's going to be great. You might become proficient at it after some time. So
Hmm.
speaking of consistent practice, so have you been doing something with your content creation or something?
I didn't get your question.
Your content creation on YouTube, have you been doing
Oh.
something about that?
I mean, not exactly. I'm just like posting things on like
Mm.
twice a week or something, and that's it. Nothing
Mhm.
much.
Nothing on YouTube so far?
I am posting like on YouTube sometimes.
Yeah. So how long have you been using this YouTube channel?
I think I started it in August
August
2021.
2021. So it will be like 2 years now after a
Yeah.
few months.
Hmm.
So how was your overall experience with YouTube? It's a different channel. It's a different platform actually. You have to like pull the audience towards you to make good content, right? It's
Yeah.
not like Instagram, you just follow someone and you are like suggested in some other places as well. It works in a
Hmm.
different way. So how was your experience with it?
It was good. I mean,
Uh-huh.
when I started it, I just started it as a singing cover channel. I used to sing some covers of some songs, and I used to post that. And in the beginning, I was like using it for fun. I don't know why even I started it. I don't know. I was just like trying out new features of YouTube because it was the pandemic going on, and I was very free at that time. That's why
Absolutely.
I did that. And then I got to know about Clapingo, and since I started posting that, I mean, doing a clapping session, it's like killing two birds with one stone. You are improving your English and also like engaging content on YouTube. So it was good. I enjoyed it. It's nice.
Nice. So, okay, which video had look, so any of your videos, like I think you have posted more than 100 videos? Is
Yeah, yeah, more than 100.
it? So is there a video in your channel which was like viral for some time? So viral, like, which received some exponential amount of views at maybe
Hmm.
50, more than 50K or something, maybe
I
100K.
I think there was one video. It was a clapping video only,
Mm-hmm.
and it got good views. I must say. I think I
Mm-hmm.
posted it like 2021, and maybe that's the reason because it has been a long while. That's why like the views are regularly increasing. That could
Mm-hmm.
be a reason. But it was a clapping conversation video, and I think
Mm-hmm.
it was like around 65,000 views.
62,000, not bad actually. That's a great number. Yeah. So, like, is your channel monetized now?
Yes, yes, it has been.
Impressive. What's the criteria to get it monetized? I think 1,000 hours of watch time. Is it
No, it's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours.
four
And I
thousand
think
watch hours?
now, yes,
Hours
watch
or
hours.
minutes?
Hours,
Oh
4,000
my
hours
god.
of watch time.
Both are difficult to attain actually, right?
Yes. And I think
Thousand
now there has
subscribers.
been some change in the YouTube guidelines, YouTube
Hmm.
criteria. I think for
Hmm.
if it's just a shorts channel, then I think you need to gain more than 1 million views instead of
1 million
4,000
views.
hours. Because when you're
Absolutely.
scrolling shorts, gaining hours is quite difficult, but gaining views
Views is
easy.
easy. Hmm. Because a short is like a short video, so it's like probably 30 to 60 seconds. You cannot really
Yes.
do 4,000 hours in a
Hmm.
short. And people don't even watch the complete short because of lack
Yeah.
of attention span these days.
Yeah.
But yes, so YouTube pushes shorts, I think, these days,
Hmm.
right?
Yes. A lot.
The moment reels and shorts were introduced, I realized that sometimes even to watch a 5 minute video seems like a task, right?
Yes.
It feels like
Yes.
half an hour. I don't know because I think our attention span has drastically declined. What do you think?
Yeah, everyone's attention span has declined a lot because
Hmm.
of scrolling through shorts, YouTube shorts, reels,
Hmm.
and even TikTok. Back in like 2021, TikTok
Hmm.
was such a big thing. Everyone was on
Hmm.
TikTok, but sadly it got banned.
It got banned for a few like political reasons or something, but
Mhm.
it is
Yeah,
still available on some other parts of the world. I think
yes.
US is also planning to ban this platform over
I
there
think one state has already banned one
in
state of the
US,
country.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they work in a different way, like state-wise. So I think it will be banned all over the country as well.
Maybe.
TikTok. Yeah, like there are different people with different content. Some content, like there are a few videos which are really good. They're like feel good videos, motivation or something.
Hmm.
But something is just irrelevant, right? People are just walking, making random videos and getting millions of views. And if a person
Yeah.
is working hard, trying to like promote something, trying to teach something to someone, that person is not getting that kind of limelight. That happens a lot on TikTok. Mm. Okay. Okay, now coming back to your overall communication skills, what all things are you practicing something consciously these days, or just like that, trying to immerse yourself with English listening or reading something?
I'm not exactly doing something by myself. I'm just doing Clapingo sessions and trying to do my best in that so that I just maybe gradually I'll improve just by doing this. But I'm not doing as such anything.
Hmm. It's good that you've started using some idioms and some good vocabulary also. So, in your experience, how do you learn a particular word? How do you try to inculcate that word in your conversation?
So you have to first understand the meaning of the word very clearly because if you're not clear with the word, then you will not be able to use it when you
Hmm.
want to. And
Hmm.
I'd say like make sentences with that word so that that word gets stuck in your mind and try to use it as often as possible.
Hmm.
Last day, not last day, a few days ago, I learned a new word,
Hmm.
antiquated. It's a word which means like old fashioned, and
Oh.
I made sentences with it, and I had like this small discussion with my mom, and I told her that I learned a new word, and I think
Hmm.
discussing the word with someone can also help you learn that word easily because then now my mind is like very clear with the meaning of the word and that word is stuck in my vocabulary.
Yes, I think that's a better approach because if you just make sentence with it, maybe you'll remember it for some time. But the idea is to try to use that word, incorporate it,
Yeah.
maybe in front of someone to give it a little bit reference. Like, what was the word which you said again?
Antiquated.
Antiquated. And what is the meaning of that word?
It's like very old fashioned. For example, this education system of India is very antiquated.
Antiquated, like it's old fashioned, basically.
Yes.
Something which is old, right?
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, there are lots of words which you can use in a certain way. I will share some words with you today.